In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube banner in Figma. We'll use Figma's community to find a polished banner template, open it, copy the design, and paste it into your own project so you can get started quickly and focus on styling. First, head to figma.com in your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access files. Figma works great in modern browsers, and a free account is enough for this workflow. Once you're in, click on Community. The community is Figma's library of files shared by creators, templates, UI kits, and components you can duplicate and adapt. It's the fastest way to start with the right dimensions and safe area guides for YouTube. In the community search bar, type YouTube banner. You'll see a range of options. Look for templates that mention the standard YouTube channel art size of 2560 by 1440 pixels, ideally with a marked safe area around the center where text and logos remain visible across devices. Preview a few results to check quality, layout flexibility, and whether the file includes helpful guides. When you find a template you like, select it and click through to its detail page. Take a moment to read the description and check the preview images so you know what's included. Some creators provide multiple colorways or variants in one file, which can save time. Next, click Open in Figma. This will add a copy of the file to your drafts or prompt you to open it directly. If you're asked to allow the file or duplicate it, just confirm. After it opens, you'll be inside the template with all the frames and layers available. Now select the design you want and press Ctrl+C to copy. On Mac, use Command+C. It's usually best to select the entire banner frame in the Layers panel so you grab everything: backgrounds, text, and alignment guides. If any layers are locked, unlock them in the right-hand panel before copying, then go to your project and paste the banner. Open your existing Figma file, navigate to the page where you want the banner, and press Ctrl+V or Command+V. Place the frame on your canvas and keep the safe area guides visible while you work. If your project uses specific naming conventions, rename the frame so it's easy to find later. You can also align it to your grid or layout so it fits neatly with the rest of your assets. That's it. You've pulled a YouTube banner template from Figma community, opened it, copied the design, and pasted it into your file so you're ready to tailor it to your channel's look. If this was helpful, stick around for more quick, practical design workflows.